What's up, guys? AK with you today. This is my Patreon. If you want to say thank you, supporting YouTube channel. And today, a quick update on Broadway Limited locomotive I'm repairing. And to doom, this is original box. Remember that? Wow, this is so cool. So, taking me forever to do it, but I'm slowly getting there. Because I'm turning my face this way, let's turn the camera off. So I'll put this closer to the camera, and I will put it all numbers in the description. Those are tiny little bitty springs here. All right, I'm just showing what my next step right now. So original, my understanding, it was different materials like metal. They kind of like aggressively fighting with each other anyway. So the original, some of them literally disintegrated, some of them just shrink kind of, some of them really became very thin. Yeah. And when I get to the issues with that assembly, steam mechanism assembly, all wheels, I described that issue. So those are, I'm pretty much on the final step right now. I'm not gonna, I just show what I'm doing, because I need to be in the mood. So tiny stuff sometimes. See, it's a little bit different than the electronics I'm doing. This is it's not every day I'm doing that type of job. So that's the spring here. I'll show you next time update. I'll do closer, different camera. Okay, so I found only those on Amazon, and that's the item number. I'll put it in the description again. So it was very, I got it right. It's identical to diameters and everything. So this guy is going here. I need to cut them properly, okay? Because it's a little bit the tension. Again, I'm not sure, because I don't have really compare any original springs. They in a really bad shape. Anyway, that's what I found. Hopefully, no, I have tons of them. So someplace here. Anyway, try to work on that better white color, matte, and not a lot of different parts around. So that will be all for today. I'll see you on broadcast or next video soon. Thanks for supporting business and channel. Have a good one. Bye bye.